Namaste everyone. My name is Shrutika S from the Lohar Colony Municipal English School number 1, and today in this quarantine period we are going to learn from home. Today I am going to explain few mathematical terms that will help you to understand geometrical figures better. So let's start with it. To understand 2D shapes well and to observe them, it is very much important to understand few technical terms like surface, edges, corners and sides. These are the 4 terms. If you understand them better, if you observe them better, it becomes really very easy to understand any geometrical shapes. So today we will begin with the shape rectangle. Now I have taken few teaching aids so that I can explain you well. This is a small diary which is rectangular in shape, as you can see. This is a plain white paper. It's also rectangular in shape. Okay, and this is a photo frame. Okay, this is a photo frame which is again rectangular in shape. So with the help of this we will try to understand the 4 concepts. Now look at this book. This is called surface. This side and this another surface back side. This is called surface. Okay, this diary is rectangular in shape, and this side, this side, this side and this side, it is called as edges. So this rectangular shaped diary has 4 edges. 1, 2, this bottom one 3, and this one is 4. Same like that, I have this rectangular piece of paper in my hand. As you all can see, it has got 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can say that it has 4 edges, 1, 2, 3 and 4th. Okay, same here. Let's look at this photo frame. This is also rectangular in shape, as you all can see, and it has 4 edges, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is one side of the surface, this is other side of the surface, and it has got 4 edges. Now we have seen what surface is called, what edges is called. Now it's time to understand the one more term that is called corners. Now look at this piece of paper. This rectangular piece of paper has got these very sharp edges over here. This 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these 4 pointed edges, this edge and this edge is bisecting and meeting into this point. This is called as a corner. This is one corner, this is one corner, this one is one more corner, this one is one more corner. Now let's look at this diary. This diary also has got 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. So while understanding the shape rectangle, what we get to know, a rectangular shape has 4 sides, 4 edges, and it always has 4 corners like this. Okay, now to understand the shape better, what we are going to do is we will fold this paper and try to see more about this shape. Now I am going to fold this paper into half like this. Look at that. Okay, and what do we get to see after folding this paper into half? Look at that. This long side of the rectangle, after folding into half, falls exactly on the other side. That means it's clearly visible that when I fold this paper into half, this side is exactly of length, it matches with the length of this side. See. So these two opposite sides of this rectangle, that means these two sides of opposite sides of the rectangle are exactly of the same length. That is why they fall exact on each other. Now we will try folding it other side. Like we will fold it now this way. Now try folding it into other way, like this. See, when I folded this rectangular piece of paper into half like this side falls exactly on this opposite side of this rectangle, like this. That means these two opposite sides are of exact length, this one and this one. When I'm folding, they are exactly the same in the length. So what do we get to know after looking at this? That a rectangle has four sides, it has four edges, it has four corners, and opposite sides of the rectangle are always exactly the same length. When it happens to be, then only we call that shape as a rectangle. The longer sides are also same in length. The long side of the rectangle should be equal in length, the opposite sides. Then the short sides, they should also be equal in length. Then only it happens to be a rectangle. So that's how a rectangular shape can be explained. Okay, again to revise, let's see. A rectangle has four sides, it has four corners, and if we fold it into half this way, or if we fold it into half that way, its opposite sides fall exactly same because their length is equal. Thank you very much for listening. We will try to understand another geometrical shape tomorrow.